Hi guys, we're in the garden, got the water butt so I can test 2 more bath time toys that I've picked up in the charity shop. This one's a wind up, cost me 30p. And the other one's a pull back cord. So they're both clockwork inside. That one's sinking, but it is going forwards. I wonder if it will sink completely. We'll find out in a minute. Right, this one, pull back and the arms go round. Well, he works fine, doesn't he? I'll give this one another try. Yeah, it looks like it works better when it's under the water, or partially underwater. Oh yeah, that works fine like that. It's better balanced. Well, of the two, obviously the frog goes better. I just quite like that one. I'll try it again. There was a little bit of air trapped under his tail. Takes a little while to build up momentum. So the frog wins. 75p from the RSPCA. 30p. That was Deborah charity shop for people with skin problems.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.